Hey everyone, welcome to this course. If you are looking at this video or enrolled in this course, it probably means that you are interested in the broad field of digital health or digital education, specifically in relation to how immersive technologies such as virtual reality, augmented reality, and the like have been applied in healthcare practices and in healthcare education. Perhaps you may have wanted to try out some of these technologies in your healthcare and education practices, or you might have already had some experiences with these immersive technologies. In either case, I welcome you to explore, and by the end of the course, you will be familiar with the various types of immersive technologies that have been used in healthcare practices and healthcare education. In addition, I will also give an introduction into the Metaverse and an insight to its potential and its challenges in healthcare. Before we get into the course proper, I'd like you to imagine yourself in this scenario. Let's imagine a time that is not too far off. It is the year 2030. The internet that you know of now has been upgraded into another version, which is termed the Metaverse. The normal way that people serve this new version of the internet is navigating this digital world through your avatar. What would your life be like in this virtual world? For those of you who are parents of the Gen Zs or the Generation Alpha kids, I would like you to imagine how their lives would be like. Now, imagine if you or your kids and family are living in the Metaverse. You would all exist as avatars or a more sophisticated form of avatars known as digital humans, who are based on motion tracking of your real actions in the physical world. Now that working from home has become the norm, and many companies and organizations are moving towards a hybrid mode of working, you will have a virtual workplace or office where you can hold meetings with your colleagues who are also avatars or digital humans and collaborate more seamlessly with your collaborators. If you need to explain something more clearly to your colleagues, collaborators, or students, if you are an educator, you can bring them into a virtual representation of the site in the Metaverse. If you are a healthcare professional who needs to discuss about the diagnosis or treatment plans of patients with your healthcare team, you can pull up 3D or three-dimensional images of the patient's X-rays, MRIs, CT and ultrasound scans, as well as other diagnostic lab tests done by the patient in real time through the patient's digital twin in the patient's Metaverse health record, so that the healthcare team can tele-collaborate in real time. If needed, the clinician or healthcare team can also conduct telehealth consultations in a virtual counseling room with the patient, avatar to avatar. Outside work, your house is built on digital land bought with digital currencies, which will probably exist as something similar to cryptocurrencies. Your assets are digital, and your photos, family portraits, Instagram pictures, and TikTok videos exist as unique NFTs or non-fungible tokens of your memory. You will do online shopping at digital marketplaces which are inside large physical buildings, and you connect with your family, friends, and colleagues through a more advanced form of social media, which potentially combines a mixed reality form of Skype or Zoom in the Metaverse. For those of you who are millennials, the Gen Zs, and those who are parents or are going to be parents of the Generation Alphas, or if you simply like gaming, going for concerts, or attending social and entertainment events, all these activities can also be done in the Metaverse, in gaming worlds such as Minecraft and Fortnite. In fact, various music celebrities such as artists like Travis Scott and Justin Bieber, or K-pop sensations like Blackpink and BTS have already held concerts in the metaverse with millions of fans in the audience throwing virtual hearts, flowers, and emojis at their favorite music idols. Imagine doing all these activities in your own living room without the need to wear any specific brand or type of virtual reality or mixed reality headsets, or using any controllers to navigate. This will be the norm in the future. In fact, many technological vendors are already creating products that can be used with different brands of VR headsets independently. All these activities that I have described can only be possible through a combination of technological capabilities ranging from immersive technologies, cloud technologies, the Internet of Things, 5G or potentially 6G networks, as well as artificial intelligence techniques. Now, if you can imagine yourself living this kind of life or are intrigued by what I've just described, this course is definitely for you. This course is well suited for individuals who come from various domains. The course will serve well for medical, allied health, and public health professionals, students, and trainees, individuals who are non-healthcare professionals but in health-related professions, such as those with health information management and health informatics backgrounds, engineering and computer science students, digital health practitioners, students, and trainees, computer or IT professionals and programmers and developers, and software engineers and architects who want to gain an understanding of how immersive technologies can be applied to healthcare. It also applies to Web3 developers and architects who are designing healthcare systems and applications using immersive technologies, founders and individuals in digital health startups who want to gain an insight into the innovation trends in this space, CEOs, CTOs, CIOs, and CMIOs who want to understand how immersive technologies and the metaverse can be used in healthcare applications for their business use cases, game designers and developers who are developing serious games for healthcare and healthcare education, user experience or UX or UI developers dealing with healthcare innovations, business and management professionals, students, and trainees who want to gain an understanding on how immersive technologies have been applied to healthcare, mid-career professionals who want to gain an understanding of immersive technologies and the metaverse in healthcare so that they can target themselves in this sector, AR, VR, and MR enthusiasts, as well as beginners who are interested in gaining a basic understanding of the concepts of immersive technologies and the metaverse in healthcare. The benefits of doing this course are that you will be able to grasp the core concepts of the various types of immersive technologies, such as virtual reality or VR, augmented reality or AR, mixed reality or MR, and the core features of the metaverse. You will also be able to develop a deeper understanding of how such immersive technologies and the metaverse ecosystem can be applied in healthcare and healthcare education. For those who are of a technical background, you will be able to apply what you have learned in this course when designing and developing healthcare innovations that involve immersive technologies. For those who are more practice-based, you can also apply your knowledge, skills, and understanding on what are the considerations when designing immersive applications for healthcare systems in clinical practices. So, what are the requirements for this course? Basic computer knowledge on how to access and navigate the course is mandatory. It would also be ideal if you have some familiarity with healthcare practices or healthcare education to better understand the applications and trends of immersive technologies in healthcare, but this is not mandatory. Some basic knowledge of extended reality concepts will also be advantageous, but it is not compulsory, as I will be going through the fundamental concepts and basic features of these technologies including AR, VR, MR, XR, and the Metaverse. In short, this course is designed for basic level, so no background in computer science is required, and we will not be doing any programming in this course. The core requirement for this course is the motivation to learn about these upcoming trends and how such immersive technologies have been applied in healthcare and healthcare education. This course will also introduce you to the fundamentals of the metaverse and its benefits and challenges when applied in the healthcare or clinical setting. There will be over 2 hours of training for the entire course, but since this course is online, you will be able to pace yourself according to your own schedule so that you can complete the course within the time that you have planned. There will be a quiz and an assignment at the end to test your knowledge that you have learned throughout this course. You will need to pass with a minimum threshold in order to complete the course and get a certificate. However, do not worry, you have several attempts for the quiz and the assignment so that you can fully grasp the concepts before your course completion. At the end of this course, you will get a certificate of achievement to show your knowledge in this area of immersive technology trends in healthcare and healthcare education, as well as the potential of the metaverse in healthcare practices. The certificate that you receive can be used to showcase your knowledge on your social media channels, such as LinkedIn, and it will not expire. Furthermore, if you are seeking this course as part of your continuing professional education, the certificate can be used as proof of completion of the course for your CE points. In this course, I will introduce the basic concepts of virtual reality, augmented reality, mixed reality, and extended reality, otherwise known as VR, AR, MR, and XR respectively, so that you have a clear understanding of what these technologies entail. After which, I will talk about the place of these immersive technologies in something called the Gartner Hype Cycle. I will then provide an overview of some of the applications of these immersive technologies that have been used in medicine, healthcare, and healthcare education, as well as their advantages and disadvantages. In the last part of this course, I shall provide a short overview on how these immersive technologies can be a bridge to the metaverse and the potential of the metaverse in medical care and clinical practices. I shall then conclude with some food for thought on what are the challenges of adopting the metaverse in the healthcare domain. For those of you who are new to this field, don't worry. This course is meant to be an introductory course for those who want to know more about the fields of VR, AR, and MR, as well as the upcoming metaverse in healthcare. Hence, by the end of this course, you should have a broad overview of these fields and their roles in healthcare and healthcare education. This is the right time to learn about immersive technologies and the metaverse. These technologies are transforming both the digital and healthcare ecosystems and how we interact with it. And you are just one step away from understanding it. I hope that you take advantage of this unique opportunity to learn about this exciting field of digital health by signing up for this course. I'm as excited to share my knowledge and experience with you as you embark on this journey to learn about this upcoming field in healthcare. That's all for this session. For any queries, please feel free to contact me. I look forward to seeing you in my lessons. Let's get started.